Hey guys, it's Aiden, the Vivian Gardner, and today I'm going to tell you about my computer gaming PC. Let's go! This is the motherboard. This is what everything gets plugged up to. The Republic of Gamers motherboard, ROG Maximus 12 Hero Wi-Fi gaming motherboard. Next, this is the CPU cooler. The Republic of Gamers CPU cooler, ROG Strix LC360 RGB liquid CPU cooler. Next, this is the gaming power supply unit. The Republic of Gamers gaming power supply unit. ROG Thor 850W Platinum gaming power supply unit. This is the Intel 10th Gen Core i9 unlocked i9-10850K LGA 1200. Next we have the ML140 Pro magnetic levitation RGB PWM fan 2 fan kit with lighting Node Pro. We have 2 boxes, so that means, because there's 2 inside of each, that means we have 4 for the total. Next is Corsair DDR4 4x8 GB 32 GB 3600 MHz Vengeance RGB Pro SL. Next we have Samsung 1TB V-NAND SSD 970 EVO. And we have 2 of them. These are the 4 attachments. We have the mouse, the keyboard, the wrist rest, and the mouse pad. We have some more stuff in the order, and there will be some more videos coming out soon. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.